That prompted some people, great people, with well-equipped rides to get out and help others. Maybe a ride to an essential job or just to the store to pick up some food. Our Kelsey Gibbs caught up with a few of these kind strangers who say it's just the right thing to do.
It went from me doing 2 or 3 store runs to 26 store runs yesterday.
Chino Leach says he always had a heart to help those in need.
Anybody know me, I'm always give a helping hand, you know.
Leach is the owner of Chino's Lawn Care, LLC.
If you want to hit bingo, better call Chino.
The people definitely called, needing a lift to work or to grab the essential items they need from the store, without risking their lives on the slick roads. Leach says he started doing this a few years ago.
When it snows, I'm back out again.
On Monday, he got calls from all over the city from people needing help.
Started from Bordeaux to North Nashville, West South. Then it was Madison, Goodlettsville, Green Hills, Boombaye, Ale.
Today, he's making deliveries for a small fee.
My mom always told me, if you can help somebody, help. You know, I always give a helping hand, a neighbor. Y'all have a good one.
Dylan Castle is living by the same advice.
Someone that needs medicine or stuff like that and has no means to get there. I've had this thing for a couple of years now, and it mainly just sits in the backyard, so I was like, this is the perfect time to get it out.
Castle says when he saw the snowfall Monday, he was ready to take his side-by-side ATV out for a spin, but quickly realized this all-terrain vehicle can be a helpful resource.
It's just been super cool, and everyone's super grateful. We have a great community here in East Nashville, so it's been a pleasure to be able to help and have fun at the same time.
Castle's neighbor, Andre Gibson, says he's grateful for the ride to the grocery store.
He was gracious enough to do that, and he did it for others. He helped get medicines at Publix for his neighbors in the East Nashville community, and he didn't charge anybody any money.
In Nashville, Kelsey Gibbs, News Channel 5.